The Saab 93 key fob, used from 1998 to 2011, requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When the fob's range decreases significantly, dropping from 20 to 30 meters to 5 meters or less, it's time for a battery replacement. To open the fob, locate the seam along the sides. Insert a flathead screwdriver or a coin like a dime into the seam and gently twist to pry the case open. Be careful not to use excessive force, especially on metal models. Once open, you'll see the CR232 battery. Note its orientation before removing it. The positive side usually faces up. After noting the battery orientation, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from the key fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure the battery is clean and free of any dirt to avoid electrical shorts. Snap the key fob case back together, making sure it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it works properly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. Use isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab if needed. If problems persist, the new battery might be defective.